So this is the X1 Carbon 6th Gen. It's the world's lightest commercial notebook, 2.49 pounds. It's made of advanced carbon fiber material, so it's rugged, it's rough, it can stand the day-to-day pressures of notebook computing, but also in a light, feather light shell. We've got dual Thunderbolt 3 ports as well. It also supports our mechanical docking, so that third kind of port gives you the Ethernet connection through the mechanical dock. We just launched a new dock as well.
So technically, you guys removed the connection from the bottom.
Exactly. The bottom port was actually it was in the way. It keeps us from getting thinner. It kind of messes with the internal components. So doing side docking was just a lot better for the system design overall. Full size HDMI, 2 Type A. So you still have your legacy ports to connect things like a mouse dongle or connecting your phone or something like that to it. We also have micro SIM and micro SD cards. So expandable storage. Micro SIM is on the back. Hidden door on the back right here. So you can also get the micro SIM, and both these, the X1 Carbon and the X1 Yoga, supports global LTE-A. Cat 9, 450 megabits download speed. So global WAN availability. Really excited about that for the X1 Yoga because it's the first convertible that actually offers that. The other convertibles don't.
But having that global feature, that means it's going to cost a little bit more
if you
configure it.
Right, if you configure it. Yep, exactly. So a lot of our customers wanted the ability to deploy these in their fleet. Consultants traveling around, they want to be able to stay connected and up to speed. So we added that there. What you're playing with there is our new Think Shutter security. So get rid of the tape, remove the sticky note.
I'm happy you guys added that because that was a big concern with a lot of ThinkPad users I used to have.
Yeah, we don't want people spying on us, right? So what you're looking at there, as you can see, is the first notebook with Dolby Vision. So the Dolby Vision WQHD, it's 500 nits, 100% color gamut. So the colors are awesome. Now, colors and video are gonna pop. Unfortunately, on this panel, we don't have touch. So if you want to touch with an X1 Carbon, we have it on the FHD. No penalty to weight or Z height. So it's the same weight. Yep, absolutely. Still 2.49 pounds. So you could get FHD with touch, or go all the way in and get the WQHD non-touch.
This is the one with the anti-glare?
Yeah, this has anti-glare. They both have, this one is definitely more anti-glare treatment. This one does have a little bit of anti-glare treatment, but you can still tell it's pretty glossy. And that's just because it's the super high-end panel. In order to let those colors and everything come through. I mean, this would be good enough for me normally until I saw this one. And I was like, man, I need that.
Yeah, the colors over here are more vibrant.
Popping.
Yeah. Sorry, so this one right here on my right-hand side is
Dolby Vision.
This is the Dolby Vision.
Yeah, WQHD.
And this one is
FHD.
But they're both the X1 Carbon.
Yes.
Generation.
Yeah,
it just depends.
Different panel. Whatever panel you want. Which flavor do you want?
Yeah.
Basically.
Yeah, but this one looks like it's towards designers, ones that deal with Illustrator and design,
right?
Photoshop, that are really picky with color.
Yep. Or if you were super Netflix junkies, since they have Dolby Vision there, I mean, you could get the full experience. Also with Dolby Atmos through the headphone jack. The HD camera. This one also, we also have an option for the IR cameras for Windows Hello, so you can log in with your face.
Cool.
We also work with a company called Microsd that will detect, the software will detect when you leave the computer and lock it for you as well. So you can use the IR camera to unlock the system and also lock the system. Integrated pen on the side.
Sweet. And it comes with the pen.
Comes with the pen.
Is it compatible with the other pen lineups that you have on the Lenovo series?
Yeah, so it's an active stylus and the Wacom pen. We use the same company for the digitizer, so the pens should work. We also have an upgraded pen called the Pen Pro. That'll give you more pressure, sensitivity, and
the memory also is soldered on that one.
Yeah.
But all three of them, you're able to upgrade the storage if you want.
Yep, absolutely.
And the highest processor is the 8th generation
Core i7.
And they all come with what, the HD graphics 620?
Yep.
Cool.
Yep, Intel Graphics 620.
And that's it, guys, for my hands-on review with this year's 2008 Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon and Yoga. And I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.